Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and in this video, I'm going to share with you an honest review about Kajabi communities. Okay, so I have been using Kajabi communities for last 2 months. Previously, to manage my community, I was using Facebook groups, but later on I migrated from Facebook group to Kajabi communities. So let me show you my Facebook group. Okay, so basically I'm into network marketing business and I am a network marketing coach. I help people to network marketers to build their business online. So this was a group which I used to manage. Okay, so here in this group you can see that we used to use the discussion tab, and then we were using guide section as well to keep record of all the weekly inner circle calls. Okay, so month by month we used to manage all these weekly inner circle calls. I use this inner circle call. I do this on Zoom, and then I used to upload all these recordings in this Facebook group. Okay, and the guides in month by month. Okay, but later on, in June 2023, I moved to Kajabi Community. I'm going to share with you my honest review, my experience so far, and is it good for you or not? Okay, so a simple answer is yes. Okay, I am loving experience, and even all my community members, they are also loving this experience or migrate from Facebook group to Kajabi communities. So let me show you what I mean the practical demo about how we are using it. Okay, so as you can see, this is a Kajabi community. Okay, the community, the name is DNA Club Community, your digital home. This is the name which I have given for this community. So if I go to Kajabi admin panel, okay. So let me show you what I have done is I have created a new product. Okay, called DNA Club Community. So 1058 members right now. Okay, so what I did, I just clicked on new product. I clicked on community, and then I clicked on get started, and it asked to create a community title and all this. So using this simple procedure, I just created a new community. After creating a community, what I did, okay, in the community, then I added access group. Okay, now in my community there are 3 levels like DNA Silver, Digital Networker Academy. Okay, Silver membership, Gold membership, and Platinum membership. So what I have done is I have done only one community for all the members, like Silver, Gold, and Platinum, for all of them, just to give them support and give them a feeling of community where they can discuss with other community members. For Silver, Gold, and Platinum, what I've done is I have created only one community. But in your case, suppose if you want to restrict discussions or certain content for based on the different levels, so what you can do, you can create different access groups. Okay, so there will be one community only, and under this community you create multiple access groups like Silver, Gold, Platinum, like this. Okay, but in my case created only one community. Clear? So after creating this access group, okay, DNA Club Community, what I have done is I have added a new offer. Okay, if I go to sales, and if I go to offers, okay, so usually I don't collect payment directly from Kajabi. For my Indian audience, I collect payment through another payment gateway called Raise. So if you can see DNA Club Community, okay, so I've created a new offer here, and whenever anybody purchases Silver, Gold, or Platinum, I just give them access to this community as well. Okay, this one. Now let's come back to the community. So once a person gets access to the community, okay, so in this community what I have done is I have created 4 circles. Okay, so this is known as circle, and this is known as access groups. Okay, as I told you, you can create multiple access groups. So I have created only one access group. Okay, DNA Club Community, and under this access groups I have created 4 categories. You can call categories of discussion. One is support. So if any of my community member, they want to ask any question, so they can put their question here and we reply. Myself and my community manager, we actually reply to all these questions here. Next is wins. So all the achievements, if you have any wins, so community members put their wins over here. General discussion, if anything they want to discuss with other community members, so they use this kind of thing. And also when we do some inner circle call, Q&A sessions, we just post like this comment links and people actually post. Okay, then polls and chats. This is another category where people, again, they can have a casual discussion with either. Okay, so this one thing. So we can categorize the post into different circle. Okay, in Kajabi we call it circles, right? Now let's go to the another thing. Okay, so right now I am logged in using a admin. Okay, my admin account. Hence I can see this plus button. If I click here, I can create a new challenge. I can create a new circle. Like right now we have 4 circles. I can create a new circle from here. Okay, and the name of the circle, description of the circle, and then whether I want to keep this as a free or chat, okay, private or public. So I want to keep it public for all the community members. Okay, if I select private, this circle this category of the post will be accessible to only some, I can select few members, and like say for example in real business now, say for example in my community I want to create a circle for discussions with the co-members. Okay, suppose my community manager and 4 or 5 more members, so I can create a circle like this where we can have discussion with only the members can see this circle. Okay, so this is okay. So this is how I have created the circle like this. Okay, plus button. Then it is Meetup. Okay, so every Wednesday usually I do a weekly meet all my community members. I can create a meetup like this, like DNA circle call. Okay, and here usually I do this meetup on Zoom, but yes, we can use live room experience of Kajabi as well. So I tried, but I felt it is not as good as Zoom. Okay, but yes, it is good. I mean, you can do. I mean, technically it is good, right? So, but yes, I just put the Zoom link here, and I upload the photo and date and time, then description, and then I select general post here, general discussion, and under general discussion, people actually get notification like when is the next circle call. Okay, so this is how I use Meets. Then announcement, I want to send an announcement to all the community members. Actually, Kajabi has community app as well. Okay, so all my community members, they actually have installed Kajabi Community. So if I add a new announcement, so they will receive the announcement instantly as a notification on the mobile app. Okay, so like any announcement, if you want to make, you can make it like this. Okay, so again, it is a brilliant chat. Next, challenge. So challenge, just as a real life scenario, let me show. What I have done is I have created 2 challenges here, only 2 challenges so far. Number 1, introduce yourself. So when a new community member joins, here is a format. Okay, I ask people to upload your photo and then enter your name, current city, current experience, all these things. So accordingly, then people, when they join the community, they post like this. Okay, so people post here, they accept the challenge and they share their photo and these things. So their introduction. So this is challenge number 1. In one of the inner circle call, I asked people to watch a particular video from Ken Honda regarding money psychology, and ask them to share your learnings. Okay, so here is a challenge. Watch this video and share your 5 learnings. So people, after watching the video, they have shared the learnings like this. Okay, so it is a brilliant feature where people can actually accept a challenge, and they can see, they can learn from other people notes as well. Okay, so this kind of thing. Now the best thing I love about community is, which I missed in Facebook group, is leaderboard. Okay, so this is brilliant gamification experience which we get. So can you hear monthly and all time? So actually this is all these points are automatically generated based on the activities. I mean, we're based on the engagement. Okay, in the community. So the community is useful or is meaningful for all the community members only when people engage in the community, correct? So if I click on this plus button, can you see here that people actually get points when they complete it? They get 100 points when their post is in, which means somebody like you get 1 point. When you comment on other people post, 3 points. So all this kind of thing. So people engage with other people post, people accept the challenge because they are going to get points, right? So it is always a good experience to see your own name at the top. Okay, so 240 point, 149 point less. So this is automatically generated. Okay, so can you see here? And this is monthly and this is all time. So every month this becomes 0. Every month then people have to earn the point. Okay, so this kind of gamification experience is really awesome and will love it, and they can monetize it as well. You can say that every month person who generates more point, okay, or top 3 people are going to receive some gifts. Like you can do so that you can actually engage people in the community, right? So this is awesome. Okay, so people love this. People love to see there, right? So circles. Okay, then X groups, I told you, and feed. If I click on feed, so I can see all the feeds. Okay, so these are circles, but feed means all the posts across different circles can be viewed here. Okay, like this is the circle, and I can see this post, then another post. So all these posts we can see, and we can filter out the post based on the newest activity, old to newest, or latest activity, like this. Okay, so this way we sort the post like this. Okay, right? Now all the meetups can be seen here. Okay, all the past meetups, then changes we can see here. Also, what I have done is I have created a new custom page. Okay, so after going to things, if I click here on navigation menu, okay, so what I can do here is I can create a new page. okay, a custom. Now, say for example, in my case, I have a page called dnaclub.in/audit, and I want my community members, though we do weekly meetings, but sometimes I want community members to, if they're stuck somewhere, they book a consultation call directly with me by just paying 47 rupees. Okay, so this page I wanted to keep it on front in community. Okay, whenever people access the community app, they can see this page. Okay, so what I have done is I have added pages like this. Okay, like important links, meet Tarun. Okay, top partners, like so. And I have kept this particular page as a home page. Okay, if I click here, I can say it's a primary page. So what happens if anybody obtains, if anybody logs into the country, and you see the page opens, okay, resource, important resources like how to log into DNA Club course, install Kajabi app, about DNA support system, okay, DNA, all these are custom pages. Okay, so this is basically a landing page I created using Kajabi, and then I just added that page, okay, that custom page resources. So under resources, can you see there are three options? Okay, meet Tarun, okay, live business audit, or top partners. So this way, these are the custom pages basically. This is again awesome feature where we can add custom pages, so that suppose people sometimes they think, okay sir, I'm stuck somewhere, so we tell them to Kajabi Community, and then click on out DNA support system. So when people click here, actually go to custom page. Okay, we have created a land page, and here people can see how we can provide a support. Okay, like this. So all these things we can add new custom pages like this. And also if I go to find members, so I can see all these members in the community. I want to check out the details of a particular member, I can click on the name, then I can see their name, and if they have added their YouTube channel link, Instagram channel link, I can click on that link as well. Okay, and I can actually check out their profile, social profile as well. Okay, now say for example, I can, if I search Ashu, okay, Ashu Sharma. So can you see he has added his Instagram link and YouTube link. So if I click on YouTube, it will directly take me to the YouTube channel. Okay, so like this. So that's it. Okay, about the community. Now the problems in this community app, okay, Kajabi Community, is one basic problem is that when people, especially in challenges, if I say, okay, this is a challenge, you have to write at least 5 learnings. Sometimes people just said it, okay, I did it, but they have actually not created a challenge properly. Now, if I click and if I, as an admin, if I did post, the 100 points which the person has earned will not reverse. That's currently this is a problem, but I raised this as a feedback. So hopefully in future this is going to be fixed. But this is a current problem, which means that if only to get points on the leaderboard, people can actually mark a challenge as complete, and they can just say done. Okay? But as an admin, if I want to reject, okay, your entry, I can delete the post, but that is not going to reverse the points. So that's a wrong thing. Okay, so that's a problem. Another problem, or you can say another thing I think that should be improved is I think little slow. I mean, you open Kajabi Community mobile. Okay, so if I show you the mobile app, it is little slow, obviously, as compared to Facebook groups. Okay, it is not as good, but it's good to use. Correct. So see, this is a Kajabi Community app. So let me show you. This is a Kajabi Community app. So these are the circles. These are the challenges. Okay. So this is little slow, but overall it is good. Okay. Overall it is good. So I can see all the feeds here. Okay. So people love experience. Okay. But this is one thing which I think that one important is the points. Okay. So system. Sometimes people, and also another problem is sometimes people put wins. Okay. Suppose this is not a question, this is, and I want to push this, I want to push this to wins. Okay, I want to move this post into wins circle, as in I cannot do it. Okay, so sometimes people put wrong data here. Okay, I want post to be properly categorized. Okay, in the different circles. Sometimes people put wrong entry in DNA support. I want this to be moved to wins. Okay, I cannot do it. Okay, so that is another thing which I think should be fixed in future. But overall it is good. Okay, it is better experience than Facebook group. Okay, so that I think you should also try Kajabi Community. And I can see in Facebook group people not so engaged. Okay, but now in Kajabi Community I can see that all my community members, they actually love the experience. Okay, to engage with other community member here. Okay, and they actually get motivated, other people earning points. Okay, and I mean, it is a great experience. Okay, so try this out. Okay, and if you try Kajabi for 30 days, okay, you can click this link. You can see on this screen. Click on this link, dnaclub.in. Okay, that is this link, dnaclub.in/Kajabi. And if you take trial, it is a 30-day trial. Go ahead and try Kajabi for 30 days. And once you take 30 days trial using my affiliate link, then you will receive an automated email from my side to book a consultation call with me, and then I can help you to set up Kajabi for your own business. Okay, so try this out, and I love this awesome tool. Okay, so not only community, but there are many more features. So sub my YouTube channel, and I'm going to post more valuable content related to Kajabi. If you have any question related to Kajabi tool, you can put in comment below. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.